Well, this was last week's issue, which was issue number 5. I love the way the legs are sort of... I like the curviness of that and the way the legs are going. But this week we're looking at this one, which is issue number 6 for July 2006. So it's a purple and black, which is a bit of a strange combination. A little Derek the donkey's going to eat... No, it's not. It's Dave the dragon. He's going to eat this one, I think. So let's get into this one. So Dave the dragon is going to help us with this one. And let's have a look at the cover. Dun, dun, dun. Well, it's a cool character, but it's not my favourite. I can already tell that one of these two is my favourite, or even this one as well. They've got some beautiful covers this year, and this is still another one, but I think for me, I think that purple is a bit too distracting. But I like the way this feels a bit sort of like watercolour-y type thing. So let's get into this one. David Dragon, he's helped us in, and we've got the DVD there. That's a little DVD with videos and things. So this is with the artist Kuang. I've heard of that one before. They've been in one of the other ones. So our editor Rob is now. It looks like he's in the apocalypse. I don't know what he's been doing, but he's got himself involved in the apocalypse or something. These are some of the things coming up. Looks like we've got an interesting issue, this one. That's quite cool, isn't it? I like the brush strokes on that. Yay! FXPosé. These are nice. These are cool, I like these. Again, we've got like a good versus evil sort of vibe or something. Cool. Look at that, look. Human spider. Pop. Imagine if you pop that, a load of little spiders would come out. That's nice. Warriors. I prefer seeing the characters' faces though. Battles in space. That's nice. I like the little wolf. If that had been me, I would have actually had the wolf on its own, I think. I would have had the wolf on its own with the sword, because then you would have thought, oh, I wonder what's happened to its owner. I think we'd have had a bit more connection to it. Don't just play, invent. This is the news section. Character designs. That's cool. They look a bit like Raven rabbits. Yeah, Jason Chang. He's cool, he is. Anime news. Events. Last year I went to Boing. Letters. Well, I've noticed something. There's about, in each of these issues in 2006, that whole section, for me, I could skip through that bit up into the letters page. So it seems like there's a lot of news in the old ones, which they don't do that anymore. Artists Q&A. Now that's beautiful. What digital techniques can I use to recreate real screen tone etching effects? Cool. Oh, I like that, huh? Look at that lighting. Oh, I love that, huh? That is beautiful. Eyeballs, look. The Art of Philip Straub. These are reminding me of 80s. They reminded me of the 80s. Like, you remember those holographic cards you used to get? Like stickers and things. For some reason, it made me think of that. It's because it's got like a hint of holographicness into it somehow. And how amazing is that? Oh, I like this artist. I'll look into this one. That's cool. Nicole, Cardiff. ImagineFX Rising Star. I'm not so keen on the subject matter on these ones. Larry. ImagineFX Larry. He's a legend. No, this is cool, isn't it? This is like, it reminds me of the video game Gauntlet from the 80s, 90s. How cool are these? Yeah, I love stuff like this. There's something cool about the old sort of like the 70s and 80s futuristic art, where what they were doing was they were trying to imagine what the future would look like. So it was like sci-fi, but there's something cool about it. Artist portfolio of Michael Dashow. That's another cool artist. We've got some very nice artists in this one. Look at that. FXPosé Pro. I like that. I like the way you got all the people there, look. Little ship. Cool, isn't it? Would you like to meet the Grim Reaper? I like to think I wouldn't be scared of them, but you don't know, do you, until you meet them. But I'd like to think that I would be able to look at them and think, what an amazing character. Imagine being in the presence of the Grim Reaper. Do you not think that would be quite cool? Because you would probably be scared, but surely you would be thinking, how amazing is this? The end of the world. That's where Rob was, wasn't it? Our editor Rob was there. That'll be coming soon. Coming soon to the earth near you. Would you like to live through the apocalypse? I think it would be quite interesting. Because once you've realised that you can't die, I feel like it'd be quite interesting to experience the end of the world. Hybrid fantasy art. Retro spaceships. I'm not really into me spaceships. Manga tips for beginner. Again, these manga characters, they're not cutting the mustard. They're nice poses. That's a nice one. That is a nice one, that. And this one. Oh, I like that one as well. That little Link from Zelda with, is that Princess? That's just cool. I like this. Little chibi type Link. Enchanting Visions. Fairies. That's going to be interesting, isn't it? That'd be next week's. Part 1. Defecting to Painter. I like the way they've designed that article. It's got a cool vibe to it. Sort of like retro vibe. Here's our reviews. Art Master Pro. I wonder if these software packages are still going. I imagine a lot of them have probably just stopped. Sky Blue, I've seen that. I love that anime. That's cool. Anatomy for Fantasy Artists, that'd be interesting. Wars for Leia and Julie Bell, The Ultimate Collection. That'd be interesting as well. A couple of nice art books in there. Oh, yay! I thought they didn't have the comic. We've got our little webcomic at the end. Dun dun dun! That's another one done. That was issue number 6. So we are halfway through the year now. My favourite cover so far is still, yeah, it's probably, I got a feeling it's this one. I just think it's cool. But another fun issue. So what I liked about this one was the articles, like the profiles and things. So I hope you enjoyed that. And next week we got this one, but look at the one coming up in 2 weeks' time. How mad is that? It's a bit scary. But this one will be next week. I hope you come back for this. And I hope you like this one. And I'll see you later for another one.